If you love peeling back the history and culture of a city to see the things that most people miss, then a Newcastle half-day tour is a fantastic way to do it. We'll begin this in-depth 4-hour tour by picking you up from your pre-arranged accommodation. You'll get to see the best sights of the city, including the quayside, Granger Town and the old Newcastle quarter. We'll also take you inside St Nicholas's Cathedral and Newcastle's Castle, where you will explore these awe-inspiring medieval structures from within. During this tour, you'll discover why William Wallace has numerous resting places, why taking coals to Newcastle is a pointless venture, and how Newcastle's inventions and inventors changed the world. So if you want to truly experience this amazing city, book the Newcastle half-day tour today at ilestours.co.uk. We fell in love with it, and we know you will too.